So we here with Job, man. Tell us what you got for us, bro.
Alright, so today we're gonna be putting on my lip for my E92, 2007 335.
Yes, sir. Look at this. Hold on.
Let's take a look at it. You want to pick it?
Yeah, turn around so we can see the carbon on with the light right here.
It came from Turner Motorsports.
Just shout out to them.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying? I got here in like less than a week.
That's nice.
So it's not fake at all.
Let me see how much it weighs. Let me see how much. Wow, that's light, man.
That's light. Let's go.
That's light. Oh yeah, my fault. Introducing the 335. Y'all already know who this is with the rag dust. Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's Crossfinger, baby. K. Archon.
You haven't seen mine at home though. My grass is way better than anybody's grass.
How the hell you got two right here and then just one?
That one's not for real.
How is that one not for real? That shit's on there.
Hey, word, bro.
4. Okay, that's 4.
Which one's not for real?
Alright, so this one's not for real, and this one's imaginary.
He's gonna drill through that bitch. Watch.
Oh,
Yeah,
bro.
oh god,
You gonna just.
oh god, you
Bro,
are.
I'm ASC certified, bro.
Alright, Jonathan. What of your lip install? How's it going? Updates.
So I went ahead and drilled all the holes, and I went ahead and I just kidding.
We're gonna cut to the 4 different fucking holes that don't line up when he says that.
Not to mention the fucking the
Language.
the markings for the holes.
The actual
that
markings.
We did it, the final cut, and then the final cut. Yo, man. Nah, we got a lot done, man.
We got a lot done, but nothing done at the same time, bro.
True.
This is where we at. We gotta use this
Just looking at it, don't look at it.
fuck ass heat gun in 300-degree weather.
Oh yeah, and I grabbed the tip.
Pause.
I'm
This boy's slumping on the hard ass ground right now.
I need, dude.
Are you sleeping on the job?
I gotta pull the red tape off the top.
So we
Hey, this is a fire pig with your fucking floating center caps in the back. This is fire.
Hey, give me, bro. This is gonna be my.
Update your Tinder profile, bro.
What's the challenge of that? The challenge.
Chill, what the fucking? I'm about to plug this bitch.
It's still gonna be hot, bro. It's still gonna be hot regardless.
Throw that bitch over there.
I don't think you understand how he gonna work.
Suck my dick, Bob.
My boy don't understand science, bro.
Shut the fuck up, bro.
Omar never got that lesson, bro.
Oh my
Bro,
god,
fuck you,
bro.
bro. I actually fucking did learn a lesson in Eve, bro.
Apparently not. You took that shit.
Let me story time, bro. So back.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Basically, the lip fell off. Well, it didn't really fall off, but it got some pretty bad damage to it. Let's look at it right here. You know,
I'm throwing it in the trash.
and the trash is crazy though, bro.
I can't fucking run it like that, bro.
No, bro. I'm telling him, with how low the car was, it's gonna happen eventually.
Yo, that was
Yeah, that was.
bound to happen.
But I mean,
He can take that shit.
I can see where he's coming from. A whole day, and this is just fucking.
Oh, let me see this side.
Yeah, it's one day. Let me see it.
This
He's
is
gonna
cheap,
see it.
bro.
Yeah.
This one's not cut through though.
Let me get a look at it.
This is real carbon.
Bro, we didn't even get rollers of the fucking car, bro.
Barely. We got like a few.
God not telling that you cry.
Dang.